Struggling ka ba ngayon financially? Yun. Alam mo ba na lahat ng mga nangyayari sa atin ngayon ay bunga ng mga kamalian na ginagawa natin in the past? Okay? So, hi! Ako nga pala si Celine, my financial advisor, and my advocacy is financial literacy and education to all breadwinners. So, I'm here to help you and understand ano ba yung kailangan natin gawin para maging financially educated tayo. You have to know ano ba yung nangyari in the past. You have to assess your past, okay? You have to check what went wrong, what went right, what could have done better. For example, no, tracking of expenses. Alam mo ba kung saan napupunta yung mga kapirahan mo? Nililista mo ba? Kasi you should know where your money is going. Else, siya yung magdidikta para sa'yo kung saan mo ilalagay yung kaperahan mo. Kasi nga, wala kang budget. Okay? So, tracking of expenses. Nagtatrack ka ba? Yun yung unang tanong doon. Pangalawa, prioritization naman. So, inuuna mo ba ang needs versus sa wants mo? Okay? So, you have to assess. Mas inuuna mo ba yung gala, luho, versus pag-iipon? So, yun. You have to ask yourself, okay? You have to check. You have to assess. You have to check your mindset. Okay? So, number 3 is, insured ka ba? Protektado ka ba sa lahat ng mga unexpected events sa buhay natin? Handa ba tayo sa mga critical illness in case of death? In case of, yun nga, magkasakit, ma-disable, ma-aksidente, handa ba tayo doon? Okay? And then, pangalawa is nag-i-invest ba tayo? Kailangan alam natin kung saan napupunta yung pera natin. Kailangan meron tayong budget allocation bawat department ng ating finances. Sa una, dapat meron ka sa needs, meron ka sa wants, meron ka sa mga dreams and goals. So, you have to tell your money where it will go, or else siya yung magsasabi sa'yo kung saan ka dapat gagastos. Okay? So, that's all, and I hope it helps. And you share ano yung naging reason bakit tayo struggling financially. Okay? That's all. God bless!